Hey YouTube, it's Alicia and I'm back with my second video, and I wanted to come and do a makeup tutorial for y'all. And the foundation I end up using, just in case some of y'all ask what I'm using, is the NYX Professional Makeup Born to Glow in Sienna. That's the one I use, and I love using this because this is the time of the year that I be using this, and it's one of my favorite. And then I use two primers and stuff. For some reason, one of my primers oxidize a lot more than the other one. So the one that oxidizes a lot for me is like the NYX Professional Studio Photography HD Base Primer. If you get this, use a little. A little goes a long way, and it oxidizes very quickly. And I used the last bit of this one today, so I end up using these two primers together. But what we're going to get ready to do, I'm going to be doing a full makeup look. But what I'm going to do is I am going to do a by-verse eyeshadow look. Now, what I mean by verse eyeshadow look, whatever you put on the crease, you put on the bottom. Whatever you put on the crease, you put on the bottom, you put on the lid, and what you put on the lid, you put on the crease. So that's what we're doing today. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to contour under the eye. And I have this is my one of two favorite eyeshadows, and well, not eyeshadows, concealer. I might all right. And so if you wonder what this is, the concealer, and this is in the NYX Concealer HD, and this is the glow. So yeah. We're going to take my sponge and just going to do this. But I hope everybody is having a good Sunday, even though we're in quarantine right now. But yeah. All right. So the next thing is we're going to set under the face. I use one of these brushes, and I'm using my favorite loose powder, and this is the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder in Banana. Oh my god, I think I got this. This is one of my favorite ones that I use. So before I get that on my face good, let me go on and prime the lids. And while we are doing that, before I do that, let me blend that out. Okay. Next, we're going to go on and set under the eye. But like I said, I hope everybody's having a good Sunday. Make sure you go and check out the video before this. It's my curly hair Sunday routine. So go and check that out. I'm going to take a little bit down the bridge of the nose. But, yep. Alright. And like I said, we are going to be doing a diverse eyeshadow routine. So the first one is we're going to take this brush right here. And we're going to be doing the AFU Deluxe eyeshadow palette. And it has a mirror in it, so yeah. And these are the colors we're using. So we are versing the color. And we're going to take the color. We're going to take the lid color. So this color right here will be in the crease. Then I'm going to get a blending brush and just blend. And that's this brush right here. Alright. Then we're going to go back in with this brush and we're going to take this brown right here, that brown, and we're going to take that underneath it. Alright. So then the next color we're going to go in with is we're going to take Compose. That's this color right here. On the lids is like we're And then we're going to take this brush and we're going to use a combination of this color and this color as the brown color. Then we're going to take this brush just to finish it off. Then we're going to take, that is it for that. But before I do, we're going to make sure I put that in front of me. So we're going to think, where's that brush? Here we go. We're going to take this brush and this powder right here. And it's the CoverGirl Queen Collection Q425 Medium Deep. All right. The next thing is we're going to take Poppy, one of my favorite colors from LA Girl. LA Colors to use because it's one of my favorite colors. That is the blush. And we're just going to go something very simple but light. Yep, here we go. We're going to use the LA Colors Starburst Illuminating Powder in Champagne. So, yeah. And before we finish it off, all right, we're gonna have to use this one, and we're gonna bring it down the bridge of my nose starting here. We're going to do that. And we're just going to do this. All right. The next thing we're going to do is going to do our brows really quick. And I'll use mostly brow gel. And the brow gel I use is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio. And this is in the color chocolate brown. And this is 258. It's one of my favorite products to use. Because I just leave it on the thing, and then we're going to go back through with the there we go. And the lip color I'm going to use is one of my favorite lip colors. It's by Revlon, and it is 671 Mink. And that is, it. That is all I am doing. So I hope you liked it, this Viverse eyeshadow tutorial look. Until then, y'all, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.